Sometimes, however, God turns a strength into a weakness in order to use us even more. Jacob was a manipulator who spent his life scheming and then running from the consequences. One night he wrestled with God and said, I'm not letting go until you bless me. God said, all right, but then he grabbed Jacob's thigh and dislocated his hip. What is the significance of that? God touched Jacob's strength. The thigh muscle is the strongest in the body and turned it into a weakness. From that day forward, Jacob walked with a limp so he could never run away again. It forced him to lean on God whether he liked it or not. If you want God to bless you and use you greatly, you must be willing to walk with a limp the rest of your life because God uses weak people.